Araw sa inyo guys. For today's video guys is tuturo ko sa inyo paano mag-solve ng the sum of arithmetic series. So kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga previous video ko guys about arithmetic, so kindly check the pinned comment section to below to watch the previous lesson guys para makakatch up po kayo. So this lesson guys, we have the problem which is the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 5 and the common difference is d equals 3. What is the sum of the first 20 terms? So before we proceed guys, meron po tayong formula na gagamitin which is sum of n equals n minus 2 times parenthesis we have 2a plus n minus 1 times d close parenthesis. So yan po yung formula na gagamitin natin guys for the entire video. So we have to proceed. I-determine muna natin kung ano yung mga kailangan natin sa question number 1 para hindi po tayo malito guys ha? So we have the first term of arithmetic sequence is 5. So we have a sub 1 equals 5 and the common difference is 3. So d equals 3. What is the sum of first 20 terms? So we have 20 terms. So Sn equals 20. Or yan po. Sn equals 20. So we have, copy lang po natin yung formula para ma-solve po natin. So we have S sub n is 20. So we have sa S sub 20 equals n. Yung n po natin guys is ito po siya kasi yan po yung pinapahanap sa atin. So we have copy lang po 20 divided by 2 times 2, copy po yung 2, open parenthesis 2. Yung a po natin is ito guys, a sub 1. So we have 2 which is 5 plus n minus 1, ito po yung n natin, copy lang ulit 20 minus 1 at saka yung common difference natin na 3. So to proceed, simplify lang natin. So we have 20 divided by 2 equals 10 times 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 20 d minus 1 equals 19 times 3 or copy lang po natin. So simplify po ulit, we have 10 times 10, copy lang, plus 19 times 3 equals 7, 57, we have 57. So copy lang ulit, we have 10 times 10 plus 67 equals 67. So we have the last is 10 times 67 equals 670. So yan po yung final answer natin guys na question number 1. So the sum of the first 20 terms is 670. So since meron na po tayong sum, check po natin which is 670 po yung sum natin. So proceed, we have the formula na una which is a sub n plus a sub n plus n minus 1 times d. So since meron na po tayong given, copy na po natin, we have a sub 1, copy, is equals to 5. Ito po yung a sub 1 natin guys sa 5. So 5 plus 1 kasi ito po yun guys yung first term natin is 1. So 1 minus 1 times d na which is 3. So copy, we have 5 plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 times d times 3. So we have 5 plus 0 times 3 equals 0. So we have 5. So since meron na po tayong sagot guys, ito po yung sum nya guys i-add nyo po yan hanggang sa umabot po kayo sa a sub 20. Pag in-add nyo po yung sum nya lahat, magiging 670 po yung kalabasan nya. So to proceed for question number 2. For question number 2 guys, we have the problem now which is in an arithmetic sequence, the first term is a equals 10 and the common difference is 6. Calculate the sum of the first 12 terms. So before we proceed guys, we also have the same formula which is S sub n equals n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So, yan po yung formula natin. So, before we proceed, i-translate na natin ito mathematical sentence para hindi pa tayo malito. So, we have an arithmetic sequence. The first term is a equals 10. So, a sub 10 natin equals 10. Then, we have the common difference na 6. Then, calculate the sum of the first 12 terms. So, a sub n natin equals 10. 12 lang rather. So, same process lang po guys. Copy lang po yung formula. So, we have yung S sub n natin is 12. S sub 12 equals yung n po natin, which is ito po siya. 12 divided by 2 times 2. Yung a po natin is 10 times 10 plus yung n po natin is 12. 12 minus 1 times yung d po natin or common difference is 6. So, simplify po natin. We have 12 divided by 2 equals 6 times 2 times 10 equals 20 plus, copy po yung plus. Then, we have 12 minus 1 equals 11 times 6. So, we have, copy ulit. We have 6 times 20, copy lang po kasi meron pa tayong parenthesis na isosolve. So we have 66. 11 times 6 equals 66. So copy ulit. 6 times 20 plus 66 equals 86. So we have 6 times 86 equals 86 times 6 equals 6, 3. We have 48, 51. So, we have the final answer na which is 516. So, yung sum po natin is 516 sa a sub 20. So, I mean, yung kabilugang sum po ng term na to which is 516. So, to check na guys, no? Since meron na po tayong answer, same process lang po ulit. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we have, copy po yung n which is a1 po tayo equals yung 1 po natin is yung first term natin is 10 plus n equals 12 minus equals 1 pala guys. Ito po siya 1 minus 1 times d is 6. So we have simplify players 10 which is ito po yun. So, paano po nag-10 guys? Ito po yun guys ha. 10 plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 times 6. So, we have yung 10. So, paano po ito? So, 0 times 6 equals 0 guys. So, ito po yung final answer. So, pagpatuloy nyo lang po guys yung ito. Pagpatuloy nyo na po hanggang sa umabot po kayo sa A sub 20. So, yung equals po guys or yung sum na nakuha nyo na answer rather is i-add nyo po siya lahat para makakuha nyo po yung ito, yung sum po lahat. So, ito pong formula na to guys is nakakatulong po siya para maging shortcut na lang po yung pag-calculate ng sum ng terms. So, for question number 3 guys is kayo na po yan pagkasagutan ko. Just comment down your answer below. Don't forget to follow, like, and share my video guys. So, maraming salamat. If you have any suggestions, just PM me guys. Hindi po, nagre-reply po ako guys.